I just choked on something. 6:44. As we get closer to Thanksgiving, it's really starting to feel like winter.
I know.
Yep, it's that cold, dry air.
It totally is. Yeah. Everything is. You're right. Drying out.
Yep.
It's that.
It's hand lotion season. It's just like everything is just like
chapstick, humidifiers.
Humidifiers. That's
so
the big one.
non-air conditioners.
Wait, are yours out of the windows?
This is crazy, Goldie. Get them out of the
I know,
window.
but you said it's gonna be 50s later this week. I'll get to it. Well, no, I'm saying like it's too cold to do it now. I'll do it on a nicer day.
Oh, I see what you're
So
saying.
when I have to have all the windows
I
open.
actually get that, right?
So I'll do it.
That
I'll
makes
do it.
sense.
This
but
week it's gonna happen.
I thought you were like, it's going to be 50s. I'm going to need the AC later. Wait,
No, because I saw that the high for
yeah.
next week is going to start with a 3,
yeah.
so it'll happen.
Next week
not
looks-
losing heat at this point. So.
Yeah, next week's looking like a chilly one, real chilly one.
gonna
Not that
happen.
this one isn't.
I'm committing to it right now.
All right, that's good to hear.
Yeah, just like mowing my lawn. I'll do that.
Do that in the spring
Yep.
when it comes alive again. There may be some evidence that it snowed just a little bit in your town last night, maybe a thin coating on some surfaces like windshields or the back deck. A few flurries coming through southern Maine, the coastal areas. Looks like a few flakes just came through Buxton and are now approaching Saco and Scarborough and South Portland right now. And there are some snow showers up through the Oxford Hills and the mountains, but there's really not a lot at all. Temperatures are all over the place this morning, and it depends on where you are. It is so much colder in eastern and northern Maine. It was clear all last night. Oof, this hurts a little bit. 15 in Millinocket, 15 in Calais, way less cold across the south beneath cloud cover, which acts as a blanket in the middle of the night. This low will swing through out of here tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday, and most of Friday are dominated by this high, which means no big weather problems at all. In fact, that high, when we get on the backside of it, will bring us some warmer temperatures, which will feel pretty good. Split state this morning and even parts of the afternoon too. Nice and clear up north and for eastern areas getting a lot of sunshine, while clouds and flurries persist over the south and west. And these clouds are going to be pretty stubborn, I think, over most towns here across the southern half of the state, not clearing out completely until late afternoon and early evening. But by then it will be beautiful, it'll be clear, it'll just be cold with temperatures dropping fast as that sun goes down. It's not going to be that warm today. Normal high is still close to 50 and we're shy of that. 41 in Augusta and Waterville and Bangor and Bar Harbor, 42 for Rockland and Lewiston, mid-40s for Cumberland County, for York County, 30s for the mountains and for the far north. As we look at this high shifting off the coast tomorrow into the second half of the week, things will turn milder. We'll top 50 degrees during that stretch. Next front comes in from the west. It will have some rain shower activity along it, but it looks like it's going to get infused with some subtropical moisture from this low coming up the coast. And the two will interact and give us a rain event here Friday night through a good chunk of Saturday. Then that moves out of here. We clear out on Sunday and it turns a lot colder by the end of the weekend. At the moment, the stripe of heaviest rain is just east of us through the Bay of Fundy, but that could easily shift back to the west and sit over Maine and or New Hampshire late Friday night and Saturday. And these numbers would go up. So it's already a nice little soaking there of at least a half an inch. It could be worse, though, Friday night and Saturday. So we'll continue to update you on that part of the forecast. Water temp 50, wind not much of a problem, north 5 to 10 knots, seas 1 to 3 feet. Clouds will give way to some sunshine later today, high temperatures in the lower 40s. It's mostly sunny tomorrow. We'll have a high near 45. And then we're topping 50 for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Some good news for you for Friday evening. There's some stuff outside this Friday evening, whether it's the tree lighting ceremony at LL Bean in Freeport. I don't know, there's still football games, Goldie? Any playoff action? It's probably on Saturday, right? That gold ball stuff?
States are Saturday, usually. Although some schools don't have lights, so.
Yeah, so there could be some, some games still going on Friday night, but it'll be dry there, so that's fine. Saturday does look wet right now, and that's really the only big problem over the next 7 days, if you can tolerate the cold air.
Saturday is going to be is the gold ball day.
That's gold ball day?
Yes.
All right.
That's not good.
Yeah, we're going to
play
be
football
dodging
in the rain.
drops.
So.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, thank you, sir.